Namaste children. The remaining sums in the exercise 1.1. I hope you have done the homeworks and you are clear with your sums. If you have any doubt, you can put your doubts in the comment session. Rita goes 20 kilometers towards east from a point A to point B. From B, she moves 30 kilometers towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent her final position from A? The sum is, there's a road, you have a road, and this is your east direction and this is your west direction, and she's starting from east direction and she's moving to 20 kilometers to the position A. And Rita goes 20 kilometers towards east from a point A to point B from B. Now this is a east. From east she is moving to A and then to point B 20 kilometer. Then from B she is again moving towards the west side 30 kilometers towards the west on the same road. So, if the distance in east is represented by a positive integer is told. So, wherever she is going, from A she is moving to point B towards east 20 kilometer. So, the distance towards east is being considered as a positive integer. So, distance travelled towards east from point A is been indicated in positive. So what is the kilometer she is travelling? She is travelling 20 kilometer, which is positive. So you will write it as plus 20. Okay. Now from B again she is starting and she is starting to move towards the west. 30 kilometers she is moving. So what is told? West direction is being denoted by a negative integer. Now distance travelled from B towards west. So as I told you, towards west the distance will be indicated in a negative integer. How many distance she is travelling? She is travelling 30 kilometer, which has to be represented as minus 30 kilometer. Now what is the final question they are asking? They are asking you to find the final position from A. So what is the kilometer she has travelled? 20 minus 30. Actually, we are supposed to add the kilometers. So, you will write it as 20 plus within bracket minus 30. So, which is plus into minus minus. So, minus 10 kilometers she has travelled. So, her final position is minus 10 kilometer. Then, going to the 8th sum. Is given, verify A minus of within bracket minus B is equal to A plus B. So LHS and RHS question is given, and for which the values of A and B are given. There are 4 sums given here. I have ticked 2 sums which you are going to do it as a homework. The B sum and second sum and the 4th sum you are going to do it as a homework. I will do the first and 4th sum for you. So now first one. What is the question? A minus B is equal to A plus B. Now what is the value of A? A value is 21 and B value is 18. Now I am going to substitute the values in the place of A. What is the value of A? 21 minus. What is the value of B? 18. So already you have a negative sign, but here 18 is positive, but you are supposed to put this number with a negative. Is equal to 21 plus 18. Now 21 minus into minus plus 18. So is equal to 21 plus 18. So when I add, I will get 39 is equal to 39. So my answer is, I'm getting, asking you to verify. So both the LHS is equal to RHS. Clear? One more sum I'll do. That is the third sum. Again the same thing. A minus of minus B is equal to A plus B. Now A value is 75 and B value is given to be 84. Now A value is what? A value is 75 minus of minus 84 is equal to 75 plus 84. Now as I said, minus into minus, again plus. So 75 plus 84 is equal to 75 plus 84. You must be remembering the property you would have learnt in your 6th standard. What property it is? A plus B is equal to B plus A. Commutative property. Next week I am coming out with the properties for you all. 159 is equal to 159. Clear, children? Now, 9th question. Use the sign of greater than, less than or equal to in the box to make the statement true. So, as I told you, the same way I have got 5 sums. A, C and E are you are going to do it as a homework and I am going to do the B and D sums. Now, what is a B question? Minus 3 plus 7 minus 19 box 15 minus 8 plus minus 9. Now let me work out the left hand side first. So minus 3 I am taking it as it is, plus 7. Now I have a positive 19. If there is no sign given, you have to assume the number to be a positive number. So minus into plus, minus 19. Now take off the minus 3 from the bracket. Minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. Now two numbers, minus 3 plus 7. These two numbers have got different sign. So what I am supposed to do? I am supposed to subtract. So what is 7 minus 3? 4. Subtract and put, which sign I have to put? I have to put the greater number sign. Which is the greater number here? 7. So what is the sign for 7? Plus. So plus 4 minus 19. Again same way. Two numbers have got different sign. So I will subtract and put the greater number sign. Here the greater number is minus 19. Now we will go to the LHS. 15 minus 8 plus into minus minus. So 15 minus 17. Now different numbers, different sign. So I will subtract and put the greater number sign. Now what is my answer? Minus 15 minus 2. Now tell me which is the greater number. Minus 15 or minus 2? Minus 2 is greater. Minus 15 is lesser than. So which sign I have to put? Lesser than sign. I have told you in the previous starting itself, wherever you have a number with a negative sign, that number will be considered as the least number, smaller number. Now, D question. 39 plus, within bracket minus 24, minus 15, box, 36 plus, minus 52, minus of minus 36. Again, we will solve the third LHS, then go to the RHS. 39 plus into minus, minus. Again, minus into plus, minus. So, 39, two numbers have got two different sign. One positive, one negative. Subtract. Subtract. If I subtract, I will get 15, which is the greater number here. 39. So, plus. So, plus 15 minus 15. What is the answer? 0. Now, going to the RHS, 36 plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. This you can do it very easily. That is, okay, let me go by this one. 52 minus 36. So, I have to subtract. Which is a number? Minus. It's minus 52. Subtract. Put the greater number sign. Greater number is 52. So I have put minus plus 36. So my answer again. Two different numbers with two different sign. So I will subtract and put the greater number sign plus. Now, which is greater? Obviously 20. So 0 is less than 20. That's all children for today's week. Thank you children.